Hey, hello everybody. Welcome to the Flamethrower Grill. Got a really good episode for you today. We're going to do some breakfast. That's right. We're going to do some eggs and some bacon, a few other things. You may have seen this egg sandwich hack that's been floating around on Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, that kind of thing. They throw some egg in a pan with a couple pieces of bread and bam, within seconds you have yourself a sandwich. Well, yep, that's what we're going to do it, but we're going to do it Flamethrower Grill style. That's right. Take a look at this. It's going to be a little bit different. And, you know, if you like this show, if you like some of the recipes I'm doing, please share this with your friends on YouTube. Subscribe to the channel, and you'll see all the new videos that come out. But let's go check out this amazingly massive egg hack we're going to do, this sandwich we're going to put together. It is delicious. Hey folks, today we're going to try a little egg hack. Yeah, you've probably seen it, and it's been going around on Facebook, Pinterest. I'm going to kick it up a notch though. And here's what we're going to do. Got some eggs mixed up here. We're going to make us that egg cheese sandwich. Got a bunch of whipped butter here that I'm trying to use up. Let's go ahead and get that in the pan, get this nice and buttery. All right. Definitely want to have a non-stick on this. What I'm going to do, though, before I put any egg in here, I'm going to kick it up a notch and just put a little bit of some mushroom. Now, I thought about doing some sausage, maybe some onion. Go ahead and, a little corned beef hash, kind of like an omelet type of thing. But right now I'm just going to throw a little mushroom in here. But this is something to consider. This sandwich is kind of like an omelet sandwich. It's like a McMuffin, right? So watch this little hack we're going to do here. Just going to throw this in there. And, you can saute these a little bit if you like. But we're not going to do that today. If you're going to use onions, you might want to caramelize them to some extent. Not going to do that either. All we're going to do today, now I've got these eggs ready to go. We got some mushrooms in there. We'll give it a minute just to heat them up a bit. I'm going to dump these eggs in. Okay. We're going to go ahead and spread this around before it solidifies. Or not solidifies, but hardens, starts to harden. The opposite of solidification. I'm just going to get these mushrooms kind of, all right, now. Then you go ahead and take your bread, right? Put it in like this, boom. Apologize, I have one upside down like that. The other one goes in like this. I want to get them cut a little better. Okay, so there we go. All right, voila. That's the way it's got to go. Now, what I'm going to do to help the process a little bit is this. This is important. If you cook it too hot, it will burn on you. But if it's not done well enough, you can't flip it. I've seen a lot of people online trying to do it and they just botch it up. We're going to go ahead and do this. Let it cook for a little while. And we'll see how it goes. All right? Just like cooking an omelet. One thing that I am also going to do, which I did not do, and I haven't seen anybody else do this as well. And I can still do it because this egg is not anywhere near done. I'm going to salt it. Piece of bread broke here a little bit, but I think I can patch that up with some cheese. We're going to see how this goes. I'm going to go ahead and cover up. Normally when you cook an omelet, you want to do it low and slow. I see these on TV, they do it in speed time in 40 seconds, 50 seconds, 60 seconds. That's really not reality. You got to let that egg harden up for sure, right? You got to have a really good non-stick pan. And a lot of the mistakes a lot of people are making is trying to flip it before the egg is completely done. And as a result, it falls apart on it. Hence, when you use the lid, the heat will build up and you'll get some of the top of the egg firmed up before you try to flip it, not just the bottom. All right, I can see that the egg is starting to bubble up a little bit. We still have a ways to go yet. I'm gonna go ahead and check on this, see how we're doing. Looks like it's coming along well. Not ready to flip yet though. And here's what the mistake a lot of people make. They see these videos and I don't think they understand that the video has actually been chopped and shortened. All right, let's give this a try. I think we're going to be just fine. Let's see how non-stick we are. Oh, that's beautiful. All right, let's give it a try and see if we can flip this. I'm going to use 2 spatulas because I don't have one of those long ones. This under there, so I can get. This one's giving me a little trouble because I'm not left-handed. Here we go. Boom, perfect, perfection, right? Now, I don't have any American cheese, so I'm not going to do that. What I do have is, first off, bacon. You can never have enough bacon, folks. So this is going to be an awesome bacon. Now you could use some sausage if you grill it up first. All right. Obviously you can't put raw sausage on this. It'd be horrible. So yeah, I got a little bit of bacon. All right, now I do not have any American cheese. That's what a lot of the videos show. I'm going to use cheddar. Check this out. And throw some cheddar on there. I got a little Colby Jack here. A little bit of that. You can use any cheese you want. American melts really fast. Now I'm going to kick this up a notch and I'm going to go ahead and put feta cheese on here, folks. Feta. Any cheese is doable. Now what we're going to do here now is fold this up over. And I should use this one. This is a much better spatula for getting underneath it. Try to fold that up. There we go. Stay there. Stay there. This is probably going to be much bigger, much thicker than any other one you've seen live. All right. I may have overdone it, folks, but we're going to make it happen. I don't give up, ever. All right, here we go. Look at that. Push it down a little bit. I'm going to hit this up while the bread grills on the other side. We're going to cover it up. And hopefully that cheese will melt. Let's give that a minute. Once I see that cheese, starting to melt up, we'll pull it off. But it's going to take a couple minutes for that bread to grill up. We're going on 13 minutes. Okay, it appears that cheese is starting to melt. The bread looks beautifully grilled. Let's go ahead and put a little stopgap here so I don't slide. Oh yeah, we don't mess around here at Flamethrower Grill. I'm going to give it another minute or so on that bread. I'd like it a little more crispy. Might as well put the lid on there. Another minute, done. Well, there you have it, folks. There you go. Yeah. There's the flamethrower grill version of that egg hack you've been seeing on Facebook. You've been seeing on Pinterest, Twitter. This is it right here. Flamethrower grill style. We don't mess around. All right? This is the way we do it. So let's go take a look at this sandwich. Okay? It's big, that's for sure. Mushroom, bacon, cheese, omelet sandwich. That's right. See what she looks like. And look at that, folks. There you go. Bacon, mushroom, egg, cheese, rye bread, lots of cheese, feta, cheddar, and the Colby Jack. Not bad, huh? We'll give this a taste. Oh, well, wow. Unbelievable. Delicious. Wow. Give that a try. But don't be fooled by these other videos where you can do it in 60 seconds. I saw one the other day, it was 46 seconds. Doesn't happen. You would have to burn the egg to get it to do that. And I see so many people trying to do this and they're just rushing it. They're trying to flip it and all the eggs falling apart. Take your time. Put a lid on it, let the top get firm. Get 2 spatulas or one long one. I don't have one of those. Boom, flip it over, put your ingredients on there. Now, keep in mind, you can always put stuff in like an omelet. You could literally do green pepper and onion and sausage and bacon and mushroom and whatever you want to put in an omelet in the bottom. And stir it all up. Right when you, in a bowl, throw it in the pan with a bunch of butter. You need a great non-stick pan. And then do the butter, the bread, let it sit. Put the lid on it. Once it's fairly firm, spatulas, flip it, let the bread grill for a couple minutes. Put the cheese on, fold it all together. Sandwich. Enjoy. Oh, wonderful.